lovely. Hello, I'm Refashionista Sherry, and if you are not already aware, I am sharing 30 days of refashions, and you have joined it now. You can see all of the tutorials in my 30 days of refashions in the playlist down below. And yeah, today, hello, look at this. How beautiful is this very teeny tiny vintage dress that I scored for just a couple of dollars at the thrift store. I love the pattern, and that little detail is so super cute, and the buttons are covered. I just really adore covered buttons so much. And yeah, clearly there's no way that I would be able to squeeze my chest into this. No way at all. So let's go and upsize it because I love it and I want to wear it. For this quick upsizing project, you'll need your too small garment and some insert fabric, and of course your sewing gear. So because I'm going to be turning this into a top, I have already marked the length I'd like it to be, plus a centimeter or two for seam allowance. Now I'm just going to chop it to size. Now I flipped it inside out, grabbed my seam ripper, and I'm just going to carefully unpick these side seams. Now because this is clearly like homemade 1960s, 1970s, the seams are actually really quite easy to pick through with my seam ripper, but because the fabric is very delicate, I'm going to be super careful and just kind of go thread by thread here because I really don't want the fabric to rip and start fraying. So now I have my sides all neatly opened up here, and I have also chopped my side panels to the right side. Now with these ones, because again this is vintage fabric and it already has this one edge here is finished, so I'm going to use the finished edge up at the kind of underarm area here, so then I don't have to kind of faff about folding this over and hemming it up. So let's insert our side panels now. Right, so I'm just going to flip this over and put it together with the right sides facing. And truly, all I have to do now is go stitch this side together, then stitch this side to the other side, and repeat the whole process on the other side of this soon-to-be shirt. Okay, I love this pattern mix. It is so super cute together, but clearly the bottom needs something done to it, so I think I'm going to take this last remaining length of that vintage fabric I have and add like a little ruffle along the bottom here. So let's go create that ruffle. So first I chopped that piece in half and then stitched the two lengths together and then hemmed up one of the edges, and then I took that long length of fabric and attached it using little pin tucks all the way around. Now all I have to do is go stitch this together. If you want to see exactly how I do my pin tucks, I shall link down below to the first tutorial in my 30 days of refashioning where I made the Babydoll dress. I share exactly how I do my pin tucks in that video. Link is down below. Anyway, I'm gonna go stitch all this together and then hopefully the shirt will be done. My little pin tucks came out so adorably perfect. Now let's go try this on and style it up. How totally adorable did this come out? This is, I mean, with this ruffle and it's kind of swingy now, it is so comfortable. I love this so much. This is one of my favorite upsizes, I think, for sure. Do let me know down below if you frequently find yourself upsizing items in your closet or items that you thrift as well. I would love to know your favorite items to upsize. I mean, adding side panels is definitely one of the quickest, easiest ways to upsize. And you see, like, that's big on both sides. So this one got a major upsize, and I really think finishing it off with this adorable ruffle on the bottom. It just really makes the shirt. I mean, this is, again now, one of my new favorite things. And I'm really glad that I could include it in my 30 days of refashions for my birthday month. I mean, maybe I'll wear this on my birthday. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Right now it's between this and the Babydoll dress. So let me know down below, which one should I wear on my birthday? This adorable, adorable upsize top, or my fantastic Babydoll dress from the very first tutorial in my 30 days of refashioning. And whew, I'm out of breath. All this excitement about my new shirt. What else? Oh yeah, tomorrow, brand new tutorial coming at you. So be sure to tune in at noon Eastern for that. And until then, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. So cute.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.